So I bet guys that you love this hairstyle that you're seeing. It's pretty, it's simple, and it's giving cute girl hairstyle. Like really, when I was making this hairstyle for my sister, I really did not have so much in mind, but I delivered the job. Welcome to the channel, guys. If you're new here, I'm Nelly and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So I started off by braiding 3 sections at the back, actually twisting 3 sections at the back, even though I started with the braid at the bottom. So I did 3 sections at the back, and then I proceeded to the side of the hair. I just did a normal straight cornrow, yeah, that was all I did for this side. And I'm just going to go ahead and allow you guys to enjoy this video where I give you guys some really cool tunes to just vibe with. So for this section, guys, I wanted to try something really complex but also simple. Like, I've been seeing this particular thing going on in a lot of girls' hairstyles in town, on YouTube, on TikTok, everywhere, but I haven't really tried it before. And I just told myself, why not just try something spicy? So every time you just do regular cornrows for someone now, how far? So I decided to try this out, even though I didn't know how it was going to turn out. I didn't know how it was going to look like at the end of the day, because I've not tried it before. I still went ahead to try it. So let's go. So I started cutting out small triangles. I cut out a whole chunk of hair at first, and then I parted that section into 2. And on the other section, I made these smaller triangles. And then on the other section, remember I divided into 2 sections, right? So on the other section where I didn't make the triangles on, I started making regular cornrow braids and attaching these small triangle strands to it, bit by bit. And at first I was like, is this thing going to come out nice? I hope it comes out nice. I hope I don't go and make some nonsense hairstyle for my sister. But then the thing was just going fine, small, everything was coming together, and I was like, I'm not a pro hairstylist. Alright, so I was feeling myself and I was feeling the hairstyle as well. Everything was just popping. So I just went ahead to brush the ends of the hair before I went ahead to twist it, because I felt like it was a bit chunked up together, and if I twist it like that, it won't come out really nice. So I went ahead to just twist that, and that was it. Guys, did you see that? The hair's looking really pretty. So for the next couple of cornrows, I decided to do normal cornrows, but tiny cornrows. I made 2 of those in that area. So guys, at this point, your girl was having that proud hairstylist moments, like, oh my god, this thing is coming together, this thing is looking really, really good, man. And I was loving it so much. So I went ahead to repeat the triangle thing again because I wanted to make another one of that here. So I went ahead to make 8 or 7 smaller triangles on this line again to braid the same pattern of corn roll I did first here again. So on the other side, I went ahead to apply leave-in conditioner. I've been using leave-in conditioner from the point where I showed you guys, okay? So even if I haven't been telling you, so I applied leave-in conditioner, I have actually been applying leave-in conditioner to the hair to soften the hair, and so I do not cause so much friction and tension to our hair, okay? So now at this part of the hair, I wanted to create, if you can guess what I was trying to create, please go ahead and guess it in the comment section. But if you can't, just take that I created my own style here. So anyways, I wanted to create something since I've already asked you guys to take a guess in the comment section. I'm not going to tell you guys what I was trying to create, but I wanted to create something really nice on this part of the hair. And because it didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out, I just left it like that. And then I continued my pattern that I was trying to create. I finally loved the outcome. I loved what came out, even though that wasn't what I was going for originally. But what I finally got was pretty. It was beautiful. I loved it so much. So let me just allow you guys watch and enjoy the entire video, okay? Guys, after the beautiful pattern that I created, I decided to follow up with a straight tiny cornrow, guys. Yeah, I was already loving this hairstyle. I wish I was making this on my own head. But I'm not sure I'm that talented enough to make this for myself. So I still have to make this on someone's head. Yep. Yeah, you heard me right. I can't make this on myself just yet. I'm not that talented, yes, I'm not that talented. So anyways, I decided to make another tiny corn roll on the other side because I was trying to get this thing to look in a certain kind of way, but not a symmetric pattern. Did I say symmetric? What does symmetric mean? Okay, but actually I wasn't trying to get this to look all the same. No, I was trying to create different patterns at different ends, so I wasn't really doing the same thing all around, even though it looked like I was doing the same thing all around. I wasn't. So anyway, I decided to make that tiny corn roll on the other side and repeat the same triangle vibe on this other part that was left. So let's go. So well guys, as the pro hairstylist that I am, I don't know how I arrived at that point, but I was loving the hairstyle, guys. So I decided to just do some little something vibey something going on right there. I made a mistake, but I turned the mistake into another style. that will make you a pro, okay? And when I was done, I went ahead to oil the scalp. Guys, oiling your scalp actually is very, very great. As you can see, our scalp is looking so clean. I sprayed some oil sheen over the hair to help it look really bright and nice. Rubbed in the oil sheen that I sprayed on it. Now, the oil I used on her hair was still infusing. I had not strained the oil yet, so that's why you have herbs all over her hair. But anyways, it was looking really good. Like, I loved it so much. So I went ahead to do the edges. You guys know I don't know how to do edges, but I still wanted to try. I mean, I wanted to just try and see if I can, come up with something really nice. Anyways, she finally helped me out at the end of the day to, do the edges really fine, because what I did wasn't a disaster, but it also wasn't very nice. So she did this herself, and this was the final outcome, guys. The final look of the hair. I love it. So thanks for watching, you all. Bye.